Hey, we're John and Lucy, welcome back to the channel. We've got more stories, laughs and maybe a little chaos coming your way. So join us on our adventures as we travel the world and its unforgettable experiences.
So in this video we're in Camden, London. When we actually started filming this it was light. It's taken us that long to explain and tell you where we are. It started to go dark. So look, we're going to have a walk around, see what's out there. We're going to share it with you and hope you enjoy it. I really like those there.
Oh, with the saxophone?
Yeah, I think they're brilliant. Or the sloth. And the dog. I love Camden.
It's very quirky, isn't it?
There's a lot of goodies. They look good, don't they, Lucy? I love the artwork on the buildings. Look, there's the Queen.
Queenie.
Yeah, we're going to Boxpark.
They must be like an upcoming place because they've just put one in Liverpool, haven't they?
Street food, rooftop bars, market, jewellery, little shops. We bought a few bits from here at Christmas, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
Some cool little shops here, isn't there?
Yeah, very vintage.
A lot of vintage stuff.
Yeah, but it's good for presents though.
Seems to be the way though, doesn't it, for a lot of the markets these days?
Yeah, if you want something a bit different.
Obviously, sales obviously is something people want.
Yeah.
It's not all vintage, I mean that's nice, isn't it?
No, they're all handmade though, aren't they? Like, they're all independent businesses. So if you want to buy from an independent business, then
These are places to come. They're really nice.
Pocket penguin. Here's a hug while I can't be there. Put me in your pocket and take me everywhere.
We head up?
Yeah.
A bit dark in here. This is where your food and drink is. This is what we had some chicken here last time. Go on, try.
Thank you.
Thank you. Garlic crispy chicken. Thank you.
That's nice, thank you.
It's got some garlic crispy chicken. That's really good, isn't it?
Tasty. Well, no.
It's something really nice.
Yeah. It's like a Thai place.
It's just a noodle bar. Probably that. Yeah, I think it could be actually. Probably that. Duck ham. Jamaican style.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. What is it?
This one is the black pepper sauce.
Oh, black pepper. Oh, brilliant. Thank you. It's really nice.
That's lovely. Thank you.
It's got a really chilled atmosphere, isn't it, today?
Yeah, it is today.
And
Last
it's-
time it was quite busy.
Yeah, it was, but we sat over there, didn't we? And the Santa Claus came up and started singing, if you remember.
Yeah, it was Christmas. It was festive.
It was really good. It was actually quite hot though.
Yeah, it was.
But it was absolutely heaving up here. It was really, really busy.
No, it's good atmosphere. Santa Claus, like you say, turning up singing.
Singing, yeah. A bit of rap. You can't beat it. More food stalls.
Ham and fries, I like it.
Legendary cheesy. Got your drink then?
Yeah.
Go on then.
What would you like? John, what do you want?
I'll have an Atlantic Pale Ale.
Hiya, can I have an Atlantic Pale Ale and a Coke, please?
So I've got a beer. It's a really hot day. And there's a fan. Brilliant. Cheers. Have a look at the cocktail menu. Get them delivered to your table, which is good. What have you got, Luce?
I've just got a Coke for now for hydration. So we've got some halloumi fries with hot honey sauce today.
They're really good. Let's try them then.
Spicy. Hey, it's got a kick to it.
It's full of chilli. That's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's quite sweet, isn't it? Because, I mean, you can taste the honey, but it's got some real chunks of chilli in there. It's really good.
We're going to go to Camden Brewery, which is 14-minute walk from where we are. Yeah, just need to see what that has to offer. We like a brewery tour. One in Antwerp was good, so we're going to go check out another one.
We're just working out where we're going.
So we head to Hawley Street, and then it's just up here.
So it's a 14-minute walk from Boxpark in the High Street at Camden Town, so it's not too far. So you've got an underground station there, Kentish Town West, so that's probably the quickest way there if you get in the tube. But we're not, so we're going to walk. That was a nice little pit stop.
We got some food and a drink.
Got a bit more of a vibe to it than the Boxpark in Liverpool.
Gives the place a bit of a personality, doesn't it?
It's definitely worth coming to. Definitely worth jumping on the tube. A bit different.
7 stops from Waterloo, so it's not far. That's a long boat. Jenny Wren. Oh, you can actually get on the boat.
Yeah, so you can do a tour. You start around the corner and just go through the locks. And it's these are the famous Camden Locks.
It's a very quirky place. Lots of different types of people, restaurants, bars, shops, markets. It's a good place to come if you've never been. So we're going to head to the brewery tour now, so we're going to go down here and turn right, and then it's about a 10-minute walk from here, then we're going to come back later and see what else is going on. I think it's a bit livelier.
So here it is, and you've literally got Kentish Town West tube station there. This is really cool. Do you know what? I do love a brewery.
Yeah. Let's go see whether we can get to it. It's nice.
There's a bar.
I'm guessing that way. Yeah, it all goes through.
I'm going to try one of these. Let's try one for now.
I was just going to say, do you want to just share it just to see whether we like it? So we've gone for a strawberry Camden Hells beer. Thought we'd give it a go. We've not had it before. It's 4.6% alcohol, and it's like a checkered design, isn't it? Like inside, all the tables have got that design on, haven't they?
Well observed. Yeah, it has. I didn't notice that. See how it is?
Wasn't expecting it to be that colour.
Cheers.
Cheers. Sure that's strawberry.
It's quite subtle. It is strawberry.
Wasn't expecting it to be that colour.
There's beer.
It's nice though.
Yeah, I like it. But it's not like a really... It's actually really quite refreshing.
Yeah, it's not a strong taste. It's quite nice.
And sometimes if you get the peach or the passion fruit, you can really taste it. It tastes a bit synthetic. That's quite refreshing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's waiting to be cold. I'm on the tour. You get a free pint if you're on the tour.
So we weren't actually meant to film on the tour. Didn't want us filming in the brewery itself. I did get a couple of clips, but they were taken on my phone, so it's probably not as clear.
Sneaky.
Sneaky.
It's a squeezy session IPA. It's considered a breakfast beer because it's quite light at 3.4%.
Cheers.
It's nice that.
Warm in here, isn't it?
Yeah, very good. Tour was good. We got flight testing, so we tasted 5 beers. So we had Hell's beer, pale ale, a hazy pale ale, which is this. A jam sandwich sour, that was not my favourite. And we also had their version of a stout.
But it was a really good tour. It was what, about an hour and a half?
Yeah, about
hour and 45 minutes maybe. And it was really informative. So what was your takeaway fact of the day?
The guy that owns Camden Brewery is called Jasper. He was actually from Australia. So what was your takeaway fact of the day from the tour?
Well, to go to the Camden Brewery, you have to dress up like a minion and you have to put dungarees on. Well, allegedly for health and safety, but I think they just wanted us to look like minions.
It's £30 and then you get half a pint before you start, then you get your 5 tasters, and then you get a full pint at the end.
Yeah, it's good, really worth it. So we've finished the brewery tour. Going to head back to Camden Market now and get something to eat and have a look around and see what's going on. Been across the road.
Yeah, Cyberdog's there. That's a quirky shop. That's worth going into.
Quirky? It's a random shop. Hey, we've actually learned, haven't we, if we stand on the right side, I want to hold the camera. It looks good.
Yeah, it works.
It works. Just having a little look at some of the food stalls. The going rate for a meal is about, well, it's between, I suppose, £10 and £15 depending on what you get.
Yeah.
Soft drinks, maybe £2-3 for a can of Coke. It seems to be standard price, to be honest. So standing up here, you can just smell all the different food stalls, all the different outlets. I mean, it smells incredible. So many different smells coming across. So you've got a couple of options to go out on the canal. £17 each.
Yeah, you can go to Little Venice. You can go from here to Little Venice for £17. You can also do like a dinner cruise. I think that was 26.
Yeah, and there's a couple of different other options for, you know, if you just wanted to go out and have a drink and stuff. So I think it was a £23 cocktail cruise as well. But it's quite good. There's a couple of different types of boats. Good experience, I'd say. We're not going to do it today.
No,
maybe next time.
Yeah, the weather's not 100%, is it? It's only 45 minutes though, so it doesn't take up a lot of your day. That's fine. Sweet and sour, please. That was very chaotic. That guy was waiting for a Thai green curry. I think they've gone to Thailand for it.
But we've got a meal there for a tenner with a
free
can of
drink.
Coke, which is not bad, is it, to be honest?
No.
So, yeah, can't mind. So we've got some bang bang chicken, sweet and sour chicken, a prawn cracker and some special fried rice. How is it?
It's not bad. Good?
We're good. So Camden's got, so obviously we've got the markets, but I think there's about 4 or 5 different markets itself. So we'll head out of the foodie area, but we'll head into the coal exchange.
It looks quite busy in here.
A lot of places here that you can't film or they don't want you recording. So.
Can't do any videos. That's why you don't see any videos on Camden.
I'm not really, well, some of it's because there's quite a lot of counterfeit goods and they obviously don't want you to film that. I suppose there's artwork as well, so they don't want you filming artwork, which is fair enough.
Duck shop.
So this is a little bit more of the vintage area, and it's got a bit of a vintage smell, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
This looks it's like Egyptian.
Smell the incense.
Leather shop over there.
Yeah, they look really good
You
actually.
can smell that, can't you? It smells really nice. It's almost like a very tidy version of Marrakesh.
Yeah, that's a good point, yeah. He's even making them.
majority of the shopping area anyway.
Yeah,
There's loads, hundreds, aren't there?
We go to Cyberdog. That's a very different shop.
That is a different
to what
shop.
I've ever seen.
We'll head over there now, shall we?
Yeah.
Go on then.
That's where your bars are, aren't they?
Yeah, so you've got like bars and restaurants over here. Traditional Sunday roast. I'm just walking past Tesco bar. It's a little bit of a different. I've not seen anything like it, and I'm going to have to go and show you this. It's an octopus kebab.
They've got them in London, Brussels and Bucharest. I've never seen that
I've never
before.
seen that before. I'm going to be honest, it looks awful.
Yeah, we're not going to give that a go.
No. Definitely where you come if you go into a rack. So there's the actual locks. Hampstead Regent's Canal, Hampstead Lock.
It's lock one.
The water makes it really nice, doesn't it? Just being able to
That's
sit by the water. Big, isn't it? So this side's a little bit newer, isn't it? So
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's got a bit more modern.
it's a bit more modern. I'm not sure what it's called. We'll find out. I thought it was going to fall in there. This is still part of Camden Market. It's just a lot more modern, it's newer. I think some of these buildings have been fairly recently built, and then they've put some, or extended the market underneath. Again, it's another food hall, but it's really quite quiet. It's quite nice.
That's what I've gone for, the grilled chicken rice box. So you get grilled chicken, rice, salad, mozzarella cheese, and cheese sauce, but you can get it with chips as well if you wanted to, but I just got rice.
That looks really good, actually.
Yeah.
Might work it out myself.
And then you get a little buzzer when it's ready, so you don't have to hang around.
With chicken, lamb, beef, and you've got the nacho version as well, which is
Oh, okay.
Ah, perfect. Can I go for the chicken, please?
crispy one, yeah?
Yes, please.
A grilled rice box, so you get a salad, some grilled chicken, some crispy onion, rice. For £11, I think that's really good value for money.
So I've got crispy chicken loaded fries, loads of cheese on there, loads of sauce. So it should have a spicy sriracha sauce as well, and some crispy onions. So this costs £11. Which I don't think it's bad going really. I mean, it's a massive portion. That's good.
That cheese.
That's really good. So that's it for Camden. I hope you've enjoyed the video. We've had a bit of a walk round, tried some food, had a look at the stalls.
Yeah, it's been good, definitely worth coming if you've not been here, or like we do, we come quite a bit.
It's a very busy place though, so
Yeah, very, very busy at a weekend.
it's definitely worth coming to. Definitely worth coming.